Good afternoon. My name is Tom Kalinowski. I'm the Director of Technology and Operations here at Colonial Intermediate Unit 20. Today is Friday, April 13th, 2018. Welcome to Tech Tip number 45. This tech tip is going to be relatively quick, mostly because it's Friday and I think it's above 70 degrees for the first time this year. So let's get to it. In Google Slides, there's a somewhat new feature that you might not be familiar with, and they are called diagrams. I don't know if you've ever been to a conference or attended a presentation and they have fancy diagrams that look like this or like that or that. And I was always envious of them because I never knew how to very easily create something like this. So Google Slides has a new feature that you can, with just a couple clicks, create something like that. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's start off with a blank slide in our new slide deck. So let's just click on the arrow next to the plus sign here, and if I move my picture out of the way and try that again, you can see I create a blank slide. So here's my blank slide. I could go ahead and I could click on Insert, and I could click on the word Diagram. So let's go ahead and do that. Move my picture again. So these are the different types of diagrams. We have grid, hierarchy, timeline, etc. We could click on any one of those that we'd like. Let's click on Cycle. Okay. How many steps in our cycle? Right now it's defaulted to 3. We could change it to 4 or 5, whatever we'd like. What color do we want? Let's pick aqua. Is that green? Whichever. And we could scroll down and look at the different diagrams that are available. So I like that. We'll go ahead and click that. And that is it. So that is now in your presentation. You can go up to any of these items and we can just start typing right over those. We could change any of these elements, make the text bigger, smaller, whatever fits our needs. But this gives us a good starting point for inputting a new diagram. So again, to review, that was just insert diagram. And that brought up this panel on the right-hand side and allows you to insert diagrams. I hope you found that tip valuable. If you have any suggestions for new tech tips in the future, do not hesitate to put those comments in below. Make sure to subscribe as well so you too could be alerted of when there are new videos posted. Have a great weekend. Bye.